Day 13.
Today, why British wool was so famous and conquered the whole world for a while? Because of durability. British wool mainly scouring used with soft water and rain water. I had great falling down water today, so my piece had a great wash today. We have only one soft water in Yorkshire and Donegal in Ireland. Here is the water piece, and now move on to the major pieces. It's James, which is stamped an element of log. Look how wonderfully washed, like somebody had a big shower. Yesterday, just to finish this piece, I would like to take the cameraman to take a look from that angle to here. Would you please? There, not me. I am not a piece of art. This is a piece of art. Well, I am just a worker. Well, artist, yes. So this is done by yesterday. I hope you like it. And actually, it's lovely, an upside down little woman or man, I don't know. I call James his wife. And today, actually, middle in the pouring down, I was working on this. You might see now some pattern up here. Yes, I'm textile background. So my major is textile design for fashion and interior. So now from here is quite a task to finish all of the trees. All of the rest of the trees will have different patterns, zigzag beginning with the diamond pattern, which is I always use for my woven pieces. But I'm going to have a good challenge with crochet. I hope you enjoyed it. I was nearly get wet and actually halfway gone through wet that I stopped because I didn't know that was rain. But good job I stopped it, and have a nice weekend. Come and visit us 7th of July. Thank you.